We are in Merrill, Wisconsin, located right about in the middle of the state. Just a great small town, some great people.
River Country is a co-op. We have 21 convenience stores and we brand them all Cenex.
We try to keep that co-op Cenex feel where people can come in, have a cup of coffee, sit down, talk.
This location was actually an old service station. However, like most things, it started to show its age and we had to upgrade.
Our CHS consultants turned me on to the in-store loan program. I got in contact with our CEO right away and said, this program's too good to pass up.
I mean, who wouldn't want to take advantage of interest-free money? The Cenex in-store loan program was a great fit for us. We use the money primarily for all the inside equipment, refrigeration, the counters.
We have definitely seen the impact. Our sales are up 30+%.
We get a lot of compliments.
We had customers come in and just say, man, you hit a home run on this one. This thing's so nice. We've had so much support with Cenex. It's a good brand for us. We know we can grow together with it.